Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start right away. Lay the glasses on a soft towel and examine the frame edge to identify how the lens is held. If you have screws, clear the area and remove them with a #00 Phillips. If it's a snap-in rim, warm the frame with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften plastic. Use a suction cup or small flat pry at the inner rim while supporting the frame. Doing this first prevents cracking and gets you ready for lens removal. Once done with the preliminary step, work methodically around the lens perimeter. With screws out, press the temple outward while lifting the lens from the nose bridge. This relieves tension and lets the lens drop free. For snap-in frames, keep warming and flex the frame away from the lens edge in small increments. Don't force one spot. Rimless setups need each connector undone in sequence. Support the lens with fingertips to avoid bending. Take breaks if the frame resists to avoid damage. To finish, clean lens surfaces and the frame channel, then either install replacement clear lenses or take parts to an optician for lens swapping. When reinstalling, align edges evenly, tighten screws just enough, and avoid over-torquing. If a lens won't seat, reheat the frame briefly, inspect for debris or strip screws, and retry. Do not force it. If cracking, deep scratches, or warping occur, stop and consult a professional. That's single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.